Hello friends, in this video we will be discussing about the intuitive module of verb suit. In my previous videos I have shown you about this proxy module and repeater module. So let's start. With this module we can perform brute force and dictionary attacks for cracking passwords, OTPs, automatic request tampering, etc. Say there is a login form which is sending username and password. So you can select the positions, either the username or the password or the both, and then select the payload type such as brute force, simple list, numbers, etc. to crack it. Now, what is a payload? See, a payload is a value that an intruder will put as options, and the place where it will be placed is called a slot. So payload is like a bullet and the slot is like a gun where the bullet will be inserted and fired. Okay, now I'll show you how it works. Let's go to our this application, Buggy Web application, and let's make our intercept on. Okay, now I'll show you a simple example of how it works. Say username is B and password is, I know the password is bug, so let's try something else. Say admin iRoot. Okay, I'll put login, click, see, now this is our intercept request that has been intercepted by the verb suit. This was the username and this is the password. Now it is a wrong password. Now what I will do, I'll send into intruder module. I'll go to actions, send to intruder, then I'll go to intruder and see, this is our host, local host, and this is the port 80. Now go to this position tab. This is the request that was intercepted. Okay, now see, there are some attack types in intruder: sniper, battering ram, pitchfork, and cluster bomb. I'll show you each of the attacks in my next videos. For the time being, I'll select the sniper attack. Okay, now there are some things highlighted like this one, session ID, user login, password, so and so. These are all variables which can be changed and these are constants. Okay, so for the time being we will be only try to crack the password. So what we will do, we will clear all the other variables. We will go here and click clear, so it will clear all the other variables. Now what I will do, I will select this admin. Okay, and I'll click add. Now this is the position, okay, where I'll be trying various different passwords to crack the correct password. Okay, username, I know the username is right, just I need to crack the password. For that I'll be trying various combinations of passwords, and from that combination one will be the right password, others will be the wrong password. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to payloads. I told you the payload is a bullet where, and this is the gun, so I'll be inserting the bullet in this position, and then I'll be firing, okay, to crack the actual password. So let's go to bullet, this payload option. See, in this payload, see, only one payload is selected, that is why it is 1. Okay, now in payload type there are various types available like simple list, numbers, date, brute force. Say I select brute force. So the moment I select brute force, these are the by default characters that has been selected by this verb suit intruder, from A to Z and from 0 to 9. So, and this much of combinations it will be trying, 1,67,900 and 6, like that. Sorry, it is 16 lakh Yeah, it is 16 lakh combinations it will be trying. So for the time being I'll be omitting all these things. I'll be just select 3 or 4 characters. Let's say B, G, U. Okay, let's say I have selected only 4 characters. Okay, so from these 4 characters it has created 256 payloads. That means it has created 256 various combinations from these 4 characters. Okay, now say I am selecting the minimum length is 3 and the maximum length is 4. Okay, now okay, I'll omit this equal to position from this payload encoding. I'll omit this equal to position. Okay, now let's see how it works. I'll go here and click start attack. Okay, see, it has started. The attack has started. I'll go make it, extend it, click this option. Okay, we have to wait for some time till the correct password is found out. Okay, now see, all these status codes are same, 200, 200, and this length also same. But see, here there is a change in status code and also there is a change in length, content length. So this might be our correct password. So how I'll check it? I'll pause the attack. I'll go here, I'll pause it, and then say I'll open any wrong password. See, this is wrong, this is the wrong password. These are all wrong passwords. Okay, and this should be the correct password. Let's go here, 200. Let me click it here and go to response, and let's go down, go down, go down. Let's go down, go down, 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 down. So yeah, it's showing invalid credentials or user not activated. Okay, so and for this let's see the response. Yeah, there is no such error message. So this one, so this is our correct password. Okay, and also you can guess it from the content length. See, all these wrong passwords have a same content length, but only this one has a right, as a different content length. So from here also you can guess it. Okay, I'll show you one more type. Okay, I'll close it. I'll close it. Okay, now let's select a simple list. Okay, from the simple list, either you can enter your passwords here manually, say XYZ, click add, say 1 2 3 4 5, say add, or what you can do, you can load it from a file. Say we load it, go here, say this is a sample text file. Okay, we'll load it here. So this file contains this much of passwords. These are all wrong passwords. Out of the wrong password, this one is the correct password and others are all wrong password. Okay, now again we'll do the same thing, but before that, what we'll do, we'll go to the options tab, and in the options tab we'll go down, we'll go here, grep extend, we'll click add, and here we'll first of all we'll click here fetch response. This will fetch the incorrect response. This was the incorrect response. Okay, for the initial request. Yeah, this was the message. So what we will do, we'll select this invalid message, this wrong error message, and we'll click OK. Okay, now what we will see, for all the wrong passwords will get this comment invalid password, and the moment there is right password, no comment will be there. From that also you can guess it. So again we will go to payload option and click start attack. Just see now what happens. Just see, it tried all these combinations of password, of which this is the right password, others are wrong password. See here, for all the wrong passwords, this message was shown, invalid credentials or user not activated. But the moment we got the right password, there is no such message. So this is how we can crack the password using brute force attack or simple list attack. In my next videos, I will show you about the different attack types like sniper and all these things. Okay. So thank you, and thank you.